How to travel to France for free. Bonjour, future travelers. What if I told you that you could explore France's stunning cities, dreamy countryside, and world-famous cuisine without spending a single euro on flights or accommodation? Sounds impossible, right? Well, today, I'm revealing the real ways you can travel to France for free. No scams, no sketchy deals. Just legitimate strategies that thousands of people use every year. Whether you're a student, a digital nomad, or just someone with serious wanderlust, this video will show you step-by-step how to make your French dream trip happen for free. Stick around, because by the end, you'll be booking your ticket. Number 1. Why France and the truth about free travel. France isn't just Paris. It's 13 diverse regions, each with unique cultures. From the fairytale villages of Alsace to the surf beaches of Biarritz, this country offers endless possibilities. But why consider free travel methods? Flights and accommodation. Why free travel works in France. Strong work exchange culture. France has thousands of organic farms, hostels, and families seeking help. Government support for cultural exchange. Programs like TAPEF teaching English are funded by the French government. EU's Erasmus program provides grants for students. Travel hacking goldmine. Air France's loyalty program is one of the most rewarding globally. Seasonal opportunities. Summer, festival volunteers needed everywhere. Winter, ski resorts need seasonal staff. Now that you see it's possible, let's explore exactly how to make it happen. Number 205 proven ways to travel to France for free. 1. Work exchange programs. Free accommodation plus meals. Work exchanges are the #1 way to live in France without paying for housing. Websites like Workaway, WWOF for farming, and helps connect travelers with hosts who offer free room and board in exchange for a few hours of work per day. You could be helping at a hostel in Paris, working on an organic farm in Bordeaux, or even babysitting for a French family. I once stayed in a chateau in the Loire Valley just by helping with gardening. 2. House sitting. Live in a French home for free. If you love pets, house sitting is a golden opportunity. Websites like Trusted House Sisters connect travelers with homeowners who need someone to watch their house and often their pets while they're away. You get a free place to stay, sometimes in amazing locations, like a Parisian apartment or a villa in the south of France just for taking care of a cute cat or dog. 3. Study or teach abroad. Scholarships and programs. France offers tons of scholarships and programs for international students and teachers. The Erasmus Plus program for EU citizens covers tuition and living expenses. If you're a native English speaker, programs like TAPEF let you teach English in French schools with a stipend and visa support. I taught English in line for a year and got paid while exploring France on weekends. 4. Travel hacking. Free flights with credit card points. This one takes some strategy, but it's how I've flown to France multiple times for almost free. Sign up for travel credit cards with big sign-up bonuses. Earn points on everyday spending and redeem them for flights. Airlines like Air France, Delta, and United are part of SkyTeam, meaning you can book flights with points. I'll link my favorite cards in the description. 5. Volunteering at festivals and events. Free entry plus accommodation. France hosts incredible festivals year-round, and many need volunteers. Work a few shifts at events like the Cannes Film Festival, Bordeaux Wine Festival, or even Euro Disney, and you'll get free access, sometimes even free food and lodging. Number 3. Your step-by-step action plan. Phase 1. Choose your path. Your first decision, which method fits your skills and timeline. Interactive on-screen checklist, short-term 1 to 3 months, work exchanges, summer festivals. Long-term 6 to 12 months, teaching programs, university exchanges. Flexible, house sitting, travel hacking. Phase 2, preparation timeline. For work exchanges: 3 months before. Create standout workaway, helps profiles. Message 10 to 15 hosts weekly with personalized requests. 1 month before, finalists agree and get working hours, meals, accommodation in writing. Learn basic French phrases hosts appreciate effort. For house visiting, tip, build reviews first by doing local sits in your country. Set up trusted house sisters alerts for France. Good sits go fast. Phase 3, budgeting wisely. Even free travel has small costs. On-screen budget breakdown. Visa fees, $100 if applicable. Local transport pass, $50 per month. Emergency fund, $300 recommended. Phase 4, maximizing the experience. Once you're in France, how to thrive. Networking. Join expat Facebook groups like Americans in Paris. Attend language exchange meetups. Extra income. Offer private English lessons £20 to £50 per hour. Freelance skills online while you travel. Travel smart. Use BlaBlaCar for cheap intercity rides. Get a Navigo card for unlimited Paris transport. Troubleshooting host speaks directly to camera. What if a host cancels last minute? Always have backup options. I'll link emergency resources below. Feeling isolated? Volunteer at community centers, instant local friends. So, are you ready to turn your France dream into reality? Pick a method, take the leap, and you could be sipping coffee in a Parisian cafe sooner than you think. Drop a comment below which method are you trying first. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel hacks. Beans and happy travels!